Hello guys, welcome to all of you. So guys, am I audible and visible to you? Please confirm once and tell me how are you? Hello everyone. Guys, am I audible to you? Okay. What about other centers? Itanagar, Tetsu College. Guys, can you hear me? Okay, hi, good afternoon, Itanagar. Guys, please tell me what topic are we discussing in the last class? What was the topic that we were discussing in the last class? Hey guys, topic please, from where we have to start today. Do we have discussed about the subatomic particles of an atom? Shillong, Itanagar, Tetsu College. Guys, confirm once guys. Show me centers connected. Hi, good evening, Tamelong. How are you? Guys, what's happening? Can you hear me? Tamelong, can you hear me? Okay. This one, symbols of elements. Is there anyone who remember the slide number? Modern atomic symbols. I think we haven't. Hi, good evening, Saint Joseph. Do we have discussed the modern symbol of atomic elements? Sorry, modern symbols of the elements? Or we have to start with this one? Okay. Do we have discussed about the symbols of elements derived from the Latin names? I think so we have to start from here. That is the symbol of elements derived from the Latin names. Okay guys, so today's topic from where we have to start is the symbols of the elements derived from the Latin names. In the previous class, we have discussed about the modern symbols, and we have find out that, see, for example, if you talk about the magnesium, the symbol is Mg, which is quite correlatable. That magnesium is represented by the Mg, aluminum is by the aluminium. But if you look at the sodium and potassium, sodium is Na. Okay. So this symbol is quite different if I talk about the name. Similarly with the potassium, its symbol is K. Okay. If we talk about the calcium, it is relatable again, that Ca is the symbol of the calcium. Then manganese, iron is again different, nickel is okay, copper is okay, zinc is okay. So guys, these are the symbols. There are some symbols which are actually derived from some Latin names. Okay. So on the base of those Latin names, they have assigned those symbols. Okay. So few important symbols which are derived from the Latin names are given to us that we have to remember for the examinations point of view. Guys, these are like potassium. Potassium has been derived from the kalium, okay, which is the Latin. Then iron is from ferrum, copper is from cuprum, then silver, which is Ag, is argentinum, then stannum for tin, aurum for the gold, and mercury is the hydrargyrum, then plumbum for the lead. Okay. So guys, these are few important symbols which are derived from the Latin names. So we have to remember these names as well for the examination point of view. Okay. So guys, please copy this once, and after copying that, please confirm me so that we can proceed. Okay. And guys, today your class will be till 5:30. Okay. So there is no break. So we have already shortened by the half an hour. So guys, please little bit quick while studying all these topics. Okay. But yeah, make sure that each and every term is clear to us. Okay. Please copy this, and after copying, confirm me once. Done? Shillong, Tamelong, St. Joseph, Itanagar, Tetso College. Guys, have you copied this? Can I have one person on the system so he or she can reply? Okay, Itanagar. It's okay, dear. Please copy. And guys, please share your attendance once. Means first copy this, and after that, while confirming, please share your attendance as well. Okay? And guys, you need not to copy this, that the names and the symbols of the all newly discovered elements are approved by the IUPAC. The full form is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay. This is just additional information. Okay. So if you want copy this, that will be totally fine. But you have to copy all these elements. Hi, Kohima. Done, guys? 2 more minutes, guys, to copy this. Okay, Tamilong. Okay. Cool Itanagar, Shillong, St. Joseph. Guys, are you done with this? Can you move on to the next slide? Okay. So now, guys, the atomic mass of the element. Okay. So first of all, if we talk about the single atom, the mass of that atom is known as its atomic mass. Okay. Since atoms are very small, consequently, actual mass of an atom is very small. Obviously, if size of atom is okay, it's okay, time along. Because size of atom is very, very small, that's why they have the very small mass as well. Okay. For example, the actual mass of one atom of hydrogen is equal to this one, and this is equals to these many grams. Okay. We have to deal with such a small number, which is very difficult to do that. Okay. Thus, for the convenience, okay, High Presidency College. Please give me 2 minutes. After that, I'll move on to the previous slide. Okay. Let me discuss this topic. I have started this one. Okay. To deal with such a small number is very difficult. Therefore, we have, thus, for the convenience, we use the concept of the relative atomic mass. Okay. Carbon 12 is considered as the unit to calculate the atomic mass. Carbon 12 is an isotope of the carbon. The relative mass of all atoms are found with respect to the C12. Now, guys, first of all, we have to understand that how atomic mass is introduced in this world. Okay. how do we calculate the relative atomic masses. So in the given slide, right now the slide which is shown to you, you have to just note down its definition, and after that where it is written, for example, you have to simply remember that the mass of the hydrogen atom is 1.673 into 10 to the power minus 24. Okay, this minus represents that small number which is 0.00, means after the decimal point there are total 24 digits. That's 10 to the power 24 means that after the decimal there are 24 digits, okay, which is very small number. And after that you have to just copy that currently the relative atomic masses are derived with respect to the carbon-12, okay. So this is the important definition or important data from you can extract from here, okay. You can copy this, okay. Please copy this quickly and confirm me once, and after that Presidency College I'll scroll up, okay. You can please copy this one first, leave a blank page, and you can start with this one, okay. Just confirm me after copying that. How many students are present at the Shillong Center? Kohima, Presidency College, of the concept of atomic mass. Dear, I haven't explained the concept of atomic mass. I was just discussing that the atomic mass means the mass of one atom, okay. I'll discuss that how atomic mass is introduced in this world, okay. That I have to discuss. You have to just copy this. Shillong, wave once in front of camera. Shillong, wave once in front of camera. Say hi. After copying that, please confirm. Okay, my dear. It's okay. Have you copied, guys? Confirm once, guys, after copying that. Okay. Shillong, Presidency College, Itanagar, Kohima. Guys, are you done with this? Okay. So guys, Presidency College, this for you. Guys, please copy this quickly as soon as possible. Okay. Till then, guys, tell me how are you? It's been a long time that we have met. Has winter started over there? Kohima, you can also copy this. Presidency College, guys, are you done with this? Okay. Kohima, share your attendance. What happened, guys? You guys are looking a little bit lazy today. What happened? You don't want to study today? For today's class, Itanagar? Is everything okay, guys? Itanagar, are you asking for the today session? Okay, I'll do that. In the last class, we have discussed with the law of chemical combinations and the Dalton's atomic theory. Okay, guys. So, before coming to this one, let me tell you something. So, guys, please look at the screen. Concept of mass. Guys, you need not to copy this, okay? I'm just telling you that how mass is introduced in this world, okay? Today, you hear that mass is 1 kg, 2 kgs, 5 kgs, 100 kgs, and so on, okay? 2.5 kgs, which is quite easy to deal when we use the digital machines, okay? But if we talk about the time when we first time introduced that mass, Okay, what happened at that time? Okay, see, if someone asks you that your mass is 50 kg, then what actually this 50 kg signifies? What is the exact meaning of this 50 kg? Okay, guys, remember one thing, that this 50 kg is, we are talking about in reference of something, and that reference value is 1. How? That this number 50 kg is actually the 50 times of 1. Okay, this is our starting point. If I choose the starting point or something else, then obviously this number will also be get changed. Okay, now let me start with this one, the actual concept. This is your platinum iridium alloy. You can simply say platinum iridium block. Okay, so guys, this is the actual measure of the mass. This alloy is still available in one of the libraries. I think so it is in England or US. Okay, you have to check it once, that either it is in the England or the US. It is still present. Okay, that how we introduce the mass? Guys, we have prepared an alloy of platinum iridium, and this is the weighing machine of at that time. Okay, let's say suppose we have an object A. We have put that object A on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we start putting this platinum iridium block, and let's say suppose after putting the two blocks, this weighing machine balanced, means the exactly two blocks balance this A. Okay, then if I ask you about the mass of A, see, we don't know what is the mass of the platinum iridium, but we have prepared same blocks of same dimensions, same shape, okay, same weight of platinum iridium block, and we say that this is 2 times of mass of one platinum iridium block. We can say that because exactly 2 blocks can balance the total weight or total mass of A. Okay, let's say suppose I have got another object B, and here we put that object on the left hand side, and let's say suppose 5 blocks can balance this totally. So we can say that the mass of B is equals to 5 times of mass of one block. Now guys, still we do not have any information regarding the mass of one object, or sorry, one block, that what is the mass of the one platinum iridium block. Then we assumed that the mass of one platinum iridium block is 1 kg. Guys, this is the relative number. Ultimately, I am trying to say that the mass of A is actually relative to the mass of platinum iridium block. Okay, we assumed that one block is equals to 1 kg. So now if I ask you the mass of A, what will you say? It is 2 kgs. Mass of B, it will be what? 5 kgs. Okay, so guys, in the similar manner, we designed the weights, or we can say the masses that we are using currently. Okay, and in this manner we have introduced masses to the world. Okay, so what happened at that time? That we prepared exactly same kind of masses. For example, say that 1 kg will be similar to all over the world. If I talk about the 1 kg of the US, 1 kg of the Russia, 1 kg of the England, 1 kg of the India, 1 kg of the China, the 1 kg will be fixed for the whole world. Okay, similarly the 5 kg, the 10 kgs, the 100 kgs. Okay, so guys, remember one thing, that those masses which are actually we are using is actually the relative to the platinum iridium block. Okay, these are not fixed masses, these are actually calculated in the reference of the platinum iridium block. Okay. The same concept we have used in case of the atoms. Okay. In the same manner, guys, we have chosen the hydrogen first. Okay. Our first reference element was hydrogen, whose mass was assumed to be 1. Whose mass was assumed to be 1. Why it is assumed to be 1? Because hydrogen is the lightest element known. Okay. Though the total 118 elements are known to us till now, out of them, hydrogen is the lightest one. So we have assumed at that time that hydrogen will be 1, and we have calculated the masses of the other element in the reference of the hydrogen. Okay. But later on, we find some difficulties while calculating the masses in reference to the hydrogen. Okay. Because in the beginning, it was assumed that the mass of every element will be the multiple of the mass of the hydrogen. Ultimately, every element is made up of the hydrogen, which is not possible. Okay. That's why we discarded hydrogen atom. Then the next reference element chosen was oxygen. Okay. Then again, the masses were not much accurate. If we talk about the oxygen, the reference element is oxygen. Then lastly, guys, we have picked up the C12, which is an isotope of the hydrogen. So guys, till now, all the masses that we have seen in case of atoms are based, or we can say are based on the reference scale of the carbon-12. Okay. The all masses which are introduced to us are on the basis of the C12 atom. Okay. So this is how, guys, we have derived the masses and we have introduced masses to the world. So guys, first of all, please tell me that concept of mass is clear to everyone, that how do we have introduced masses to the world? Because on the next slide that you have to copy is all the concept which is I have just discussed with you, that you have to copy just. You need not to copy this, you have to just understand the concept. Guys, is it clear to everyone? The concept of mass? Any question, query? Okay. Guys, okay, what's your doubt? You can put your doubt them along. And rest of the centers, guys, please, you can confirm on the screen. Guys, please, one student at the system who can answer me quickly when I ask you something, so that we can proceed. Shillong, Presidency College, Itanagar, Tetso College, guys, is it clear to everybody? Any confusion or doubt? I was just trying to say that the masses are relative. These are not absolute. All the masses are calculated in the reference of something, some other mass. Okay, guys, so let's move on. See, how we get 2 and 5. Dear, on the weighing machine, I assumed that when I put 2 blocks, if I talk about the A, when I put the 2 blocks of the platinum iridium, that becomes the balance. Okay? That 2 blocks of platinum iridium balanced the one object of A. So I have written over there that the mass of A would be 2 times of mass of one platinum iridium block. Similarly, in case of object B, I assumed that when I'll put the 5 platinum iridium block, it will balance the one object of B. Okay, so that was assumptions over there. Now clear? So guys, let's refer to the atomic mass. See, These are some important points regarding the atomic mass. Okay, what's your... One second, guys. Okay, put your doubt. What do you want to ask? I said these values, this one and this one, is assumed by me. And the mass of one block is assumed by the scientists that one platinum iridium block is 1 kg. That's it. They assumed that one object of platinum iridium block will be 1 kg. Now is it clear to you? Time along? Okay, let's move on. So guys, atomic mass. Carbon-12 is considered as the unit to calculate the atomic mass. Carbon-12 is an isotope of the carbon. Guys, this is the few properties, okay, that you have to remember regarding the atomic mass. Then, one atomic mass unit, which is represented by the U as well as AMU, is the mass of 1/12 of mass of a C12 atom, okay. Carbon-12 atom has been assigned as an atomic mass of 12 U, which is atomic mass unit. The atomic mass of an element is the relative to its atom compared with the mass of a C12 atom. Okay? Guys, you can copy this one. Please copy this and confirm me once. And guys, on the left hand side, you have to do one correction as well. The atomic mass of an element is the relative atomic mass of its atom. Isotopes means species that having the same atomic number but different masses. Same atomic number but the different masses. Guys, do one thing please. I'm talking about the slide which is on my left hand side. I'm reading the statement. The atomic mass of an element is the relative mass of its atom as compared with the mass of 1/12 of C12 atom. You have to add this one, of its atom compared with the mass of a 1/12 of carbon-12 atom. 1/12 of carbon-12 atom. Guys, have you added this? If you are still not getting, please let me know, so I'll write it for you. If you are not still getting this, please let me know, so I'll write it for you. And rest 3 points are absolutely fine, you can copy this. And confirm me once after copying that. Guys, please confirm, have you made that correction? I'm repeating that Itanagar, please write your doubt completely. I'm repeating the correction. On my left hand side, the box on the left, my left hand side, which is written over there, that the atomic mass of an element is the relative mass of its atom as compared with the mass of 1/12 of carbon-12 atom. 1 by 12 of one carbon 12 atom. If you are not still able to do that, please let me know. I will write it for you. And confirm once after copying that. Kohima, Shillong, Itanagar, Tamerlong, Presidency College, Tetso College. Guys, have you copied this? Is it clear to everybody? Okay. Have you made the correction as well? Kohima, Shillong. Okay. Which one? Okay. I have just told you that the atomic mass is actually the concept of relative atomic mass. Okay. If we talk about it, the bulk level means the masses which we can see easily, that the first time they were calculated by the use of the platinum iridium block. Okay. We put platinum iridium block on one side of the weighing machine, and on the other side we have used the objects. Okay. Right now, like we can see the 1 kg of mass, and 2 kgs, 3 kgs, 5 kgs, 10 kgs, 15, not 15, 20 kg, 50 kg. Okay. So they all masses are actually signifies or represents that if I say the 1 kg, it means that 1 kg is equal to the 1 platinum iridium block. If I say the 2 kg means that it is equivalent to the 2 platinum iridium block. If I say the 5 kg, it means that this is 5 times heavier than the 1 platinum iridium block. If I say the 10 kg, it means that the particular mass is 10 times heavier than the platinum iridium block. Okay. So this was the concept of the relative atomic mass. Wait. I was saying this one. You have to make this correction. That the atomic mass of an element is relative to the 1 by 12th of carbon 12 atom. Okay. This was the correction that you have to add this one as well, 1 by 12th. Okay. I was saying this one, that you have to write this one as well. And this statement is present on my left hand side, means on the left hand side of the block. Done? Can we start? What happened, Shillong? Have you made this correction? Please do this and then we'll move on. Shillong, Kohima, Tamenglong, Itanagar, Presidency College, Tetsu College, guys. If you have corrected this, we can move on. Okay, so let's move on. Now, atomic mass. So, atomic mass is actually the mass which is exactly equal to, dear, I have told you that isotopes means the elements having the same atomic number but different masses. Yes. Yes, Presidency College. Isotope means that element having the same atomic number but different masses. I think so we have discussed about it. We have already discussed about it. You can please refer the notes. Okay. So guys, let's come to the atomic masses of the element. Guys, these are the important elements that atomic masses you should remember of these given elements. Okay. First of all, you should clear with the atomic mass that atomic mass is exactly equal to 1/12 of mass of carbon 12 atom. Okay. Now there are few important elements. For example, mass of the hydrogen is 1 U. Guys, remember U is the unit, okay, of the atomic mass, which means the unified mass. Guys, here you can remember this one, that if I talk about hydrogen, its mass is 1 AMU, or you can simply write the U. This U represents the unified mass. Okay. And this AMU means atomic mass unit. Okay, so guys, please don't be confused with this one. AMU or U has the same sense. Okay. You can please copy this one as well. That AMU stands for the atomic mass unit, whereas the U stands for the unified mass. Okay. Please copy this quickly and then we'll move on. The unit of the atomic masses you will find in terms of U, or the AMU as well. They might write the AMU as well. So guys, let's move on. See, the mass of hydrogen is 1, helium is 4, lithium is 7, beryllium is 9. Okay, guys, you can write the symbols only. Okay, do not write the names. Okay. Please write the symbols and the atomic masses. Okay. Hydrogen 1, helium 4, lithium 7, beryllium 9, boron 11, carbon 12, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, fluorine 19, neon 20, sodium 23, magnesium 24, aluminum 27, silicon, then phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, potassium, calcium, and then iron. Okay. Please copy these elements, okay, with their atomic masses. You have to learn these atomic masses. Do not write the names, please write the symbols and their masses. Okay. After writing that, please confirm once. And as well as you have to write the atomic mass unit as well. That 1 atomic mass unit means that 1/12 of mass of carbon 12 atom. Please do copy this. Copy, please. Okay. Guys, anybody wants to ask me anything? Is other centers copied that? Presidency College, Itanagar, Shillong, Tamenglong, Tetso College, guys, have you copied this? Okay. So guys, on the next page, we have a question for you. Okay. So be ready. One person at the system, and you have to solve that question, and let's see who will give the answer at first. Okay. So guys, here we go. This is the question for you. That different kinds and number of atoms are placed on weighing balance one by one to give the different combinations. In which of the following combination will the system be balanced? Okay. Do this question. My dear student, platinum iridium block doesn't have any mass. We assumed that this is 1 kg. Okay. And let's say suppose this for the Presidency College, that I have used 10 platinum iridium blocks. Okay. 10 kg means that this is actually 10 times heavier than the 1 platinum iridium block. Okay. This is 10 times heavier than 1 platinum iridium block. That's what it means. And remember, we don't have single platinum iridium block. We had many platinum iridium blocks. Okay. Okay, I have got few answers. Guys, please be quick. Okay. Presidency College, are you clear with your doubt? Okay, very good. Tetso College, what's your answer, dear? Itanagar? Okay, Itanagar has given its answer. Okay. So guys, let's see. Answer is B. Okay, so why answer is B? Guys, look at these combinations. That this weighing balance of weighing machine can be balanced only when if the masses put on the left hand side and on the right hand side are equal. Okay. If you look at the option number B, the mass of one carbon atom is 12. Okay. See. Here you can get the carbon. The mass of one carbon atom is 12. We are given with the two carbon atoms on the left hand side. It means that the total mass is 24 on the left hand side. Whereas if I talk about the magnesium, that one magnesium atom measures 24. Okay. So atomic mass of one magnesium atom is 24. So guys, we can confirm from here that 24 mass is put on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. That's why option B would be the right answer. Okay. No, they all are relative masses, dear. They all are relative masses. Okay. Guys, this is the next question for you. Please attempt that question. Tell me the answer. Presidency College Plus, please first confirm that are you clear with your doubt? You have to simply understand the meaning that 1 kg means that 1 platinum iridium block. Means if you say something is 1 kg, that it means that it is 1 time heavier than the 1 platinum iridium block. If you say that 10 kg, it means it is 10 times heavier. Okay? Okay, that's cool. Okay, I have got one answer. What happened, guys? Okay, Shillong this time. Okay, in the last time, Itanagar has given the fastest answer, but unfortunately that was not right. So on the second number, Shillong have gave its answer. That's why Shillong was the winner. This time, Shillong again has given its answer. Okay. Okay, very good. Let me confirm what would be the right answer. I'm just saying that Shillong has given its answer fastest till now. Okay, very good. Okay, cool. So the question says that 1 AMU means what? Guys, we have just introduced the AMU. Okay, so we have written over there that AMU means that mass exactly equal to 1/12 of mass of carbon 12 atom. So that's why option A would be the right answer. Okay, so most of you, I think everyone has given the correct answer. Okay, any confusion or doubt? Guys, you wanna ask me anything till now? So let's move on, guys. Next question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Ultimately, a name and symbol is given to you. Okay, you have to check which symbol is not correct. Okay. Very good. Nice. What about you, Itanagar? Itanagar, what would be the answer? Great. Guys, the interesting thing that everyone has given the correct answer. Congratulations to all of you. High five to all of those who has given the right answer. Definitely the symbol of the copper is Cu, not the CO. CO stands for which element? Can anybody please tell me what is the name if the atomic symbol or if the symbol of an element is CO? What would be its name? If it is not definitely copper. No, okay, yes, copper is Cu, guys. I'm asking which element stands for CO? Yeah, definitely have given the right answer. Name the element whose symbol is CO. What happened, guys? Kohima, Itanagar, Tetsuo College, Shillong. Can anybody please tell me? Okay, yes, definitely cobalt. Cobalt is CO. Okay. So this is the next question for you. Let's see Who will be first this time? Even last time Shillong was the winner. The Latin name of an element is natrium. The English name of that element. What would be the right answer? This time Latin name is given to you. Okay. Oh, hi Saint Joseph. Nice to see you. Very good. Guys, the interesting thing that everyone has given the right answer and everyone has given the answer at the same time exactly. Yeah, very good. Okay. So the name of the element would be the sodium. Okay. And the fastest answer is given by the Presidency College, followed by Shillong, Kohima, St. Joseph, Tamenglong. Okay. So guys, let's move on to the next one. Oh, this is the summary that what we have discussed till now. Okay. So this is the summary that what we have learned till now in the atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of a matter, which is the smallest unit of a matter. Then the names and the symbol of elements are approved by the IUPAC. Mass of an element is called the atomic mass. Since atoms are very small consecutively, atomic mass of an element will be very small. Okay, definitely. Atoms are composed of particles called protons, neutrons, and the electrons. Then one atomic mass unit is equals to 1/12 of mass of one carbon-12 atom. Okay. So guys, this is all about this current slide. We have done with this. We have done with that. Okay. Anybody wants to copy this summary, or we can directly move on to the next slide? Please reply quickly. Do you want to copy this, or can we move on? Yes, for what? Copy or move? My dear, atomic mass unit means that mass of an element, which is equals to 1/12 of one carbon-12 atom, which is the atomic mass unit. Okay? Okay guys, copy. Are you asking for the headquarters of the IUPAC? Presidency College, please confirm. That is Zurich, Switzerland. The headquarters of the IUPAC is in Zurich, Switzerland. After copying that, please confirm, guys. And guys, please tell me, is there anyone who has got any confusion, any query, any doubt, any single point that that is not clear to you? You can please ask me. Okay? I'm giving you 2 minutes to copy this, and then we'll move on. Do it quickly. Okay. It's nice to hear, Kohima. What about others? Presidency College, Itanagar, St. Joseph, Tamenglong, Shillong. Okay, guys, so let's move on. One second, guys. So, guys, this is the recall test. The concepts we have discussed till now, these questions are based on that one. Please read the questions and answer that quickly. Okay. Why the shape of an atom is round? My dear, this is explained on the basis of the quantum physics. Okay. And this is mathematically driven over there. This is mathematically driven over there. Okay. Answer quickly. Very good, very good. I have got responses. You have to answer 5 questions, or on the next page, I'll show you the 5th question. First of all, answer these 4 questions. Guys, you can, in spite of replying on the screen, you can do one thing. Okay, it's okay if you're replying on the screen. Okay, that's cool. You can write options in your copy as well. So when I'll shift to the solution section, you can simply check that how many correct answer you have got. Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes, 1 more minute to solve this one, and then I'll shift to the question number 5. One F. Okay, false. What happened, Kohima? Where your answer are? Or Tetsu College, I'm not getting this. Please, can you write it clearly? Yes, dear, because we have class till 5:30 only. Okay, we have class till 5:30 only. So I think so we are left with only 20 minutes, last 20 minutes. Okay, guys, this is the question number 5 for you. Okay, that's cool. Answer this one as well. Okay. Okay, very good. So guys, these are the answers. Please check quickly and tell me how many of you has got all the answers correct. All the answers correct. And any question that you want to ask me? Any question that you want to ask me? In these 5 questions, any doubt for you? If no, then we can move on. Okay, congratulations. Residency College, Tamelong, Itanagar, very well done. What about you, Shillong, Kohima? Tetsu College? Yeah, I have seen that. Okay, guys, so let's move on. The next topic is molecule. Okay, what is a molecule? So guys, first of all, listen to me very carefully, and after that you can copy this. See, molecule means that when atoms combine together, so after combination of those atoms, the new species which gets formed is known as the molecule. Okay, guys, what I'm saying, that when atoms combine together, a new species is formed, and that new species is known as what? Molecules. Okay, there can be two scenarios. In one scenario, that same type of atom can be combined together. Okay, in the second one, that different atom can also be combined. In both the cases, the substance, or we can say the species found, will be known as the molecule. Okay, so guys, actually we have two types of molecule. One is the homoatomic and the second is the heteroatomic. Homoatomic means which is formed by the combination of the same type of atoms, whereas the heteroatomic means that the molecule which get formed by the combination of different atoms. For example, if I say the H2, H2 will be homoatomic. This is a molecule. O3, made by the 3 oxygen atoms, is known as what? Homoatomic. If I say the CO2, guys, CO2 is a molecule in which carbon and oxygen are combining together to form the CO2. Here we have got different elements which are get combined over there to form a molecule. For example, NH3, heteroatomic. Let's say suppose Cl2, homoatomic. Okay, so guys, you have to just remember that whenever atoms will combine, they will form a molecule. Okay, molecule can be formed by the combining or combination of the same type of atom or the different type of atoms. Okay, so guys, I think so this is written over there. A molecule is a group of two or more neutral atoms that are chemically bonded together. Okay, the force which holds the atom together in a molecule are the chemical bonds. Okay guys, we will take an overlook of the chemical bonds. I'll discuss about it right now. Next, atom of the same element or different element can join together to form molecules. Okay, a molecule is the smallest particle of a matter except element, which is capable of an independent existence and shows all the properties of that substance. Okay, so guys, ultimately they're trying to say that for the existence of an element, okay, let's say suppose hydrogen, the single atom of hydrogen cannot exist in this world. Okay, so hydrogen will always be exist, or you will find hydrogen in the form of H2, which is a molecule. Okay, so they are trying to say that for the existence of the element, depending on the situation, they will be present in the form of molecules. This is not true for all the elements. Guys, remember, noble gases do not form the molecules, they exist independently. But other than the noble gases, there are many elements which exist as the molecules. Okay, that's what the meaning of the point number 3. Okay, guys, please copy all these 3 points, and then I'll give you little bit overview regarding the chemical bonds. Okay, please copy this, and after copying, please confirm once, and if you want to ask me anything, you're most welcome. Okay, copy this, confirm, and if you have any question, you can put your question over there. Okay, start. Copy. Any query or question? Okay. First copy this. Shillong Presidency, Tetso, Itanagar, Temilong. Guys, confirm once. Any doubt or query? Have you copied this? Okay. Okay, guys, so let's start. Guys, see. This is hydrogen atom. This cannot exist independently in this world. Okay. So, it actually combines with another hydrogen atom. Okay. And after combining, see, there are two hydrogen. So, we can write it like this. This 2 represents that there were 2 atoms. Okay. Now, when you represent this one, guys, see, you cannot represent like this, that 2H2 will be written like this. You will represent it like this. Okay. This dash represents the bond. It means it is a chemical bond. Okay. So guys, first of all, please don't be confused that this is writing like H minus H. No, this is not H minus H. This is the hydrogen bond, not sorry, hydrogen bond. This is the bond between the hydrogen atoms. Okay. We have many. For example, this is the Cl2. Okay. Let's say suppose this one, this is your O3. Guys, this is just for the information. You have to ultimately deal about the chemical bonds in the class 11th. Okay. So, till then, you can simply remember that bond is represented by a dash. Okay. This dash doesn't means that it is a symbol of minus. This is not a minus, guys. This is a chemical bond. Okay. And this is the point number 3. That point number 3 is saying that the smallest unit of the matter which can exist independently is known as the matter, is known as a molecule. See, if you talk about the hydrogen, so the smallest unit of hydrogen which can exist is this one, not this one. Okay, means that I'm talking about single hydrogen atom. Okay, for example, if you talk about the fluorine, it will exist as F2, not single F. Okay, if you talk about the Br2, this is this one. Ultimately, single Br cannot exist, so the smallest unit of the bromine which can be exist is the Br2, which is a molecule, not an atom. This is the meaning of the point number 3. Okay, that the smallest unit of the atom, sorry, the smallest unit of a matter which can exist independently will be known as the molecule. The question is why? Dear, to answer this question or to understand the meaning of this question, we have to go to the higher classes. Okay. Till then, you can simply understand that there is a concept of the octet. Okay. In their outer orbital or outer shell, there must be certain number of electrons that confirms their independent existence. Okay. So hydrogen is not capable of that kind. That's why it will merged up, or we can say it will share its electron with another hydrogen atom, and it will exist in that form. Okay. So guys, this is the point number 3. Let's move on. Types of molecule. See, molecules of the elements that I was discussing in the beginning, that they can be of two types, homoatomic and the heteroatomic. Okay, homo means where same type of element will combine with each other, and hetero means where different type of element will combine together. Okay, you can please copy this one. And anybody wants to ask me anything till now? Is it clear to everybody? Everyone is clear with the concept? Please copy this quickly. After copying that, please confirm once. Guys, you need not to draw these structures, okay? If you want to draw, I'll draw it for you, okay? Simply write the representation of the molecule, okay? And after writing that, please confirm over there. Okay. Okay, so guys, let's see. O2 was there. O2 can be represented like this. Double bond. See, two dashes means two bonds. Okay. F2 was there. It can be written like this. H2O was there. H2O can be written like this. Okay. Please copy these. Copy these. You can represent the molecule in this manner. Guys, any query for me? Any question? Okay. Now, the next topic is okay. See, okay, why O double bond O? Again, I have told you that in the outermost shell, to exist every molecule, atoms should have certain number of electrons, which is we known as which is we termed as a octet. Okay, so when oxygen will form two bonds, its octet will get completed. Okay, that's why it is written like O double bond O. Okay, but in case of F2, you can write, you can see there is a single bond. Okay. Types of molecule. Achha, okay. See, have you got your answer, Temelong? Have you got your answer? See, we cannot go to the octet rule right now. So you have to simply understand that when double bond will be found between two oxygens, only in that case their octet will get completed and they will exist. Okay, like in case of nitrogen, there will be 3 bonds over there in case of N2. Okay. So guys, next topic is the atomicity. Okay. So the point is we cannot start atomicity right now. Okay, it is a little bit big topic. Guys, please do remember that we have to start with the atomicity. Okay. And anybody wants to ask me anything in today's session? If you find any difficulty or you have any question, you can write that question, okay, in your notebook, and you can simply ask me in the next class if you have any question. Okay, if you are still want to ask me anything, you can ask me right now. If not, then we can wind up today's session. No queries? Okay, we will talk about in the some motivational session. H2O is why HOHY. My dear student, once again, I'll repeat those words, that for the existence of the H2O molecule, the octet of hydrogen, oxygen and hydrogen, the other one hydrogen, will be only when there's a single bond between O and H. Okay, that's why it is written like that. Okay, that is confirmed by the help of octet rule. So octet rule is not in our syllabus right now. Okay. Dear, we will discuss about the atomicity in the next class. Okay. Shillong, have you got your answer, my dear? For the representation of the molecules, you have to wait. You have to wait for some time. Okay. Till then, you can simply remember. Okay. So, guys. Okay, Temelong, I'll answer for your question. Okay, in some session, or we will talk about something someday. Okay, you can ask that one. So, guys, that's all for today's session. Okay, I hope so that everything is clear to you. And if not, if you still have got some doubt, you can please write your doubt and you can ask me in the next class. Okay. So till then, bye bye, good night, have a great time. Please stay healthy, take care of yourself. Okay. See you soon.